new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs.
Boye Tuesday, Ŋdi Wɔna Tony Boy Andra Boye Tony Boy ga wo majumo kwa koda pene ya mlukata jamatana mblanga afi bona nya bono da pene prestige ba otobia na mato da pene yondo nya pa ojisina mchanto mchi bola honorable Richmond adam kofi potosu ba alungona kokongo bulaga da pene ni baje kple Muslims revolutionary bola hawa clinic dapat dikatakan ni lama benar berperannya ciba ni kali nyapo nanda kekem nyapo kabal gini unedana nama jona koma nyepona nukainya sebelumnya dia ke new mabo mizona rambo pona nukainya jojo yo kekakah si nyapa nutuame ne nicho ma ni nare nyapa news headlines so nyapo kanye na jojo kale tatene nyapa bana daga ke ne ni zorbo bai puganya ja bo ajumum akbo soson bele madede to kawe anoni ikasumyasi so new ben tanya yo ke boleh nyambut cuaca bahaya dalam sekula chama mungkin ikenya shanti MP nyara apa simanola imo cho kwa laptop lapa ni ro baju chama mungkin bairo in someone praise nyamanya kan dari ke takare ya kalau kataji ke hanya nanti kemudian ni bona amupung lemopung ke ababido ikenya si manolane ini sebab cari ni apung abo ya ni west ko itu dan apa so that a lot work coverage mauto ababido apung ni jangan yang mengatakan le beberapa Wɔna metana no to 0242670773 nomba ikena zako a shata kwa 0242670773 ni nomba ikena tang asa kwa agara kama alawe nikatanya au ne wanyo. Alright, so nya motivational message man agbaye kekari ni hana toke abale ke mwene the new picture gradual gana jo kawai ta with a motivational message. When people show that you are not a safe, that they are not a safe space, believe them. When people show that they are not a safe space, believe them. Ni ke kpɔm le mìɔti be dzi gbe mi míaƒe ŋusẽdɔmenya le gbãtɔme be na amewo woɖem fia be le ewu kple woƒe katsatsa me alo le woƒe dome nɔnɔ ewua mele dedie le wo dome kɔ edzo na ƒo dzi se. Na amewo wofiam be yewo domenɔnɔ meganyo na wo ne ewua le woawo dome mele dedie kɔ na ƒo dzi ase. Alright. Nuka tae metsɛ nia be wonye míaƒe motivational message. When people show that they are not a safe space, believe it. Eko le míaƒe katsatsa me le míaƒe kadodowo me zikreɖa mie nɔna ame aɖewo dome gake ame aɖewo eɖewomehi wonyi ne kpɔkpɔm be nya da se ɖiɖima wokpɔm abe nya de gbe ƒoƒo. Nu yi ke etsɔm be nye be xɔse ƒe dziɖuɖu alo agbo ƒe ʋuʋu na ya wotsɔe be enye tɔtete na yewo. Ame aɖewo li hã enya koe. Gbe sia gbe enya do ya koe. Ne wo nya wɔm akpɔ be le woƒe nyawo me kea wo ta me ɖoɖom. Wonɔ li meke adidi. Egba ŋkeke dzɔ mekpɔe woʋua ɖo. Yewo ʋua ɖi wogble tsi gakpo dzia. Ame aɖewo lia, they call them toxic people. Okay. And so the main thing ni ke susu ta me tsia egba papa tsia nye be ne la mo do me mo amo bo susu man boy mo amo bo ngbo me tsia ngo yi amo bo wono me tsia ngo yi e na bo anyira wo bo so se jifo le wo no ma ko. Alright. Ke ejebe na tsia dokio omoy ke na to adogola ro to ala be kpɔ nunya ɖe gblɔ be nunyala ɖe gblɔ be gbalẽwo ke xlẽm nene. Exɔ yiwo ke netse. Exɔ yiwo ke netse alo exɔ yiwo ke dome nele. Kple nu yiwo wɔm nele fie alo gbea ye afia fi yi nɔ gena la tsɔ. Gbalẽwo xlẽm nene. Gbalẽwo ke le xlẽm. Ame yiwo ke dome nele. Kple nu yiwo wɔm nele gbea ye afia fi ke nɔ gena la tsɔ. Eme hã ele ɖoɖo si kaka eɖe nane gɔme. Ene srɔ̃ɖe ke mianɔ ame yiwo ke sɔkui mi dome, ame yiwo ke yina afi ke mi yina, ame yiwo ke azɔli ke zɔm mi le zɔm, ame yiwo ke yina ɖe fi ke míawo hã míeyina míasrɔ̃ ale ke wonɔ ame yiwo dome ʋuʋum. Ema ade mía dzi, ema awɔ mi teƒewɔlawo, ema akpe ɖe mía ŋuti be míaɖe dzivi tamebubu taɖui manye tahlɔ̃ aɖewo da le mía dome. Right, so that's what we have there. Ke mi zɔ ge ɖe ŋgɔ ɖi mía akpɔ nyadzɔdzɔgbalẽ aɖewo yiwo ke nye nyadzɔdzɔtɔtɔwo le míaƒe ŋutua me ɖa. Ke míayi howeday.com ale be míakpɔ nu ka nye nyadzɔdzɔ yiwo ke le míaƒe gbalẽ me. Alright. Chairman Wontumi arrives in Isawam. Chairman Wontumi arrives in Isawam. Howeday.com news. Big headline. Chairman Wontumi arrives in Isawam. Bernard Boye Tuesday, chairman Ashanti Ntome NDC to Vakpo nkofia ba galamsey campaign banya gbomimile joy keva ya mono mobile ni no Ŋdi Wɔna ji amoklo boton kuma nyamanya be won ani nom de won tumi onya jijo manya na kan no nyamanya be o koti macho e ko gam na mbali mo ngokpo me won tumi moy mi kata mi aba moy ye na kebe echo macho la wo Nigeria ba gapo ko kare mo ko mi asabe jama won tumi ye mo e nya ka e tumi to le ngata ni mo apo blavio yi de nyune àwọn bọ́ súbọ́ pa àwọn bọ́ súbọ́ pa àwọn bá ní ìmọ̀ kẹjọ bá mi sàmì kẹ galansi wọn ní ìmọ̀ ẹyọ kata ìyẹn nyà ganto akademia pẹ amuganto mafia ke Haruna Idrisu ikenye Minister of Education to domaga ke kona sukuda nyaoji aglobe jimia mami le pon ke mamleto yenye ke senior high school view where sorry, BEC, that's junior high school, BEC, junior high school for results at Dogo. So Haruna Idrisu says July 31 BEC results date. Haruna Idrisu sets July 31 BECE results date. So ni la mokoko ba epoya temi la pon keke po jimia me la pon keke amneto results on Adogo na BEC to. So that's a big story over there. Another very huge one there. Volta Regional Chairman of the NDC, Volta Regional Chairman of the NDC speaks and in a brief interview yesterday and Irakwa Nyapa Volta Regional Chairman of the NDC Wablombe. It is a working of the law. It is a working of the law. Speaking on the 20-year jail sentence of Chairman Wontumi. So we have that there as well. And of course, Mama Tejojo NDC to MPP to Najimpio. No. So a Choikavaya MPP to and the General Secretary in a press statement labeled Wontumi sentence of political imprisonment. And TikToker Mahama Aminat gets reduced bail. TikToker Mahama Aminat gets reduced bail. So those are big stories we have here. Yes, from yesterday to this morning. All right. Maybe I don't know the motor car 0242670773 and your number again as 0242670773 is the number that you can use to be part of the conversation. Maybe I dodge a play 0242670773 and we will be very excited to read your feedback. Okay, ke mia Ahmed Kabaro le miniti bayo ke potom afi mia ahodo chudo abai aho bedashi chom no pelan plega afi mia ko wona mia bodum dong jiwa mai bati la ho wotre le fuga host manfia via mia ko samle yeah. Okay. So miaaidahoye.com very quickly, and we'll start with the one to me one, and just very briefly, one to me ayo mikatanga one to me more. So I don't think there's anything news to that, maybe. So one to me is jailed for 20 years, and the actually two sentences running concurrently. So it's actually a total of 40 years, but he's doing all the serving the jail terms concurrently. So by the unique Honorable Mount Agbabito, in Togono, Comrade Agbabito, whom enjoyed by Volta, Regional Chairman of the NDC, and what we have or what we are seeing is a working of the law. What we are seeing is working of the law. It's not political witch hunt, as the NDP puts it. So quickly, the Volta Regional Chairman of the National Democratic Congress has described the 20-year custodial sentence handed to Ashanti Regional MPP Chairman Bernard Entry Boye Tuesday, known as Chairman Wontumi, as one that reflects the workings of the law. Speaking in an interview yesterday on our channel, Comrade Mauto Agbabito said the curtailment of personal freedom is regrettable, yet the larger consideration must be the integrity of legal processes. And he noted that there is credible evidence. Where there is credible evidence of wrongdoing, the law ought to operate independent of executive influence. Agbabito characterized the judgment as deterrent within the national effort to curb environmental degradation. And he also argued that consistent enforcement sends a clear signal to actors engaged in activities that degrade natural resources, and on and on and on. Okay, I'm at the more I'm a sham, but or shadiala, though we better not blood them. You must go. A tam pomo yela, Mamma, na Gina no few gake, no do buddy, I don't a pero jim liber, a mamma, and bablon, and babble comole, miapa, of course, the person goes to jail. So that is what we have there from the chairman of the ruling National Democratic Congress. And what is I'm a blogger, and Yamon, Daka, I think I'm a room of Bonafi, when we are both them. My hope of that she the cover, Aro, plus sugar, no trova, near Azor and Gotamakashi. TV and chi como Tony McBuenya mi aplom bona.
No silence ever English dictionary. Ya pepe. But see dictionary aka so afi di pasi K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view canola basic level, and you know Americanola SHS, and you know Americanola University, a low language, Nanya make a maneuver by you, and they are strong but Praha, no silence ever English dictionary, and you know her. I must make a nanya by the Mujurapo, and they are strong but Baha, no silence ever English dictionary, and you know Mama. Nella Dilla was so mad than a player. Place order Amazon. A low number can follow screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can also. But if you see a figure la, you call no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua Coveno. No silence ever English dictionary. And you Tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear. You can name them sport wears for both male and female. Name Yajima and the powerhouse le ho ne ina de Fraget Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi nine junction na de Fraget Hotel but tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go do it.
Oh, very much. If I don't pay them, go to put. I too much try to toy. When it warms, but a killer.
Oh,
the number for fun. Never got too much to move. Come on, not to go.
that is not the Abraham if you better kind of lay a party to call for Boye hour. But the husband that didn't know fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapan or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a Passy Coco for Yahokatara.
Well, when not to go,
Vai, Batacano Sugo, Itabica that is the Cremonton top. Vola Patica, Wusielo, wait off here.
Ira vola tobo. Yema no Chicago. Mokpong jaja.
Vola chika no pla. Na zama. Fiva nana kama furaga nao. Mashama nazi.
Nyapa todo wala todo fita. Itanya za vola chika. Nyato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fofo jijila ama.
This vola piki. Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwea gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamli dagbewa oja dogomo ndiga andrekla afa badashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola
Nina nemiayi vola basenta afima mi apota yoyola nyadeba vola
If you follow, I probably left food now. I left food now. Don't do food now. I cheat the Padaka. Put on Macata. Malato one you do. I did my clonova. Naila Vola Heba Center. You can let them go upload. Victoria Paka. I feel like a photo. What to a camera? What put on? What come? A Fukama to Dokada. Vola Heba Center. Dr. Prosper Debeneva. Come on. Vola.
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hopo yi
Nyapa bola akpana mi Ewenyigba TV. Enyamele ni nyankosem choko le chuga hosta ala polima. Ke ameke nyaplom ko nyatoni man boy. Akpana mi kataba chua dalam mana Ewenyigba TV. Apa duko apa dekong apa kong ple nya apa domanyinyo ke akpana mi kata be ni le mi afeti bo mi nya majom ni nyo nya jojo pomra so mi afanya jojo balo katam ke chofa nya yo li kon o ega kaka au bantonye chairman want to make a moi the MPP to o logo kabanto do se press at the logo cho mahni kwire ni ke emplito jo judgment ke wonanchi quickly ke emma chungu nyaro yo ko blon gona nyamo hata la nya ko so son kawe limia son cho anyo manya kawe le nya ma. So just a quick one. MPP leadership holds emergency meeting on court judgment. So like Ndima judgment of Africa before. The first thing we when you were New Patriotic Party headquarters, private mailbag. So they have a they release a press statement over the leadership of the New Patriotic Party, together with flag bearer and the party's legal team, is currently in a meeting to thoroughly review the judgment delivered by the court in the case involving our Ashanti Regional Chairman, Mr. Bernard Entry Boye, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi, concerning the Summer Boy mining matter and to determine the appropriate next course of action. The party will communicate its official position and the decisions arising from these deliberations in due course. In the meantime, I respectfully urge all members of our great party to rally behind the leadership. During this challenging moment, let us remain calm, united, disciplined, and steadfast in our commitment to the values and interests of the New Patriotic Party. Thank you, Justin Kodia Frimpong, Esquire, General Secretary of the NPP. Señalada Justin Frimpong, Kodia Dena Quality Clancane, NPP Toy, Company, Doracho, a Ewenyigba Chairman Wontumi Moko statement of 20 over during Batare. Alawa le takopoma ojitumoba yoko barojin ka oje wogo nonyiro afi de chama Wontumi mo alawa yokbo aseti tokata ne yokbo yo toma ka yo anya so kanso be yo gala enyen banto ka ayo ile takopama o wa bulewe yo langure siati choma lo yo siati chwa yo kwede shiwe enya political buchat ga yo pato kuma o wa ko nya yo broha o wa biro ko yo le yo ko tin ko chuma. This is political buchat da loko yo machia lo yo party you know, the party more, you mention persecution, and my mention more than any young body, you got to like just so put the upper woman, and you don't go where you are going to get them. But when you never a natural joke ban on the banner, when you draw on your down, it down with banner on a room, young woman. Baby, you can do Christy Sanala, Martin Baby, and have them young and talk with your wife. The kingpin has fallen. The kingpin has fallen. Baby defense want to be verdict. Martin Baby can hear the shit but I let the want to be more popular rights. So private legal practitioner Martin Baby has defended prosecution's decision to rely on witnesses involved in the legal money activities to secure the conviction of Bernard Boye, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi, describing the New Patriotic Party Ashanti Regional Chairman as the kingpin behind the operation. And his remarks follow the High Court's decision to sentence Wontumi to 20 years imprisonment after finding him guilty in the Summer Boy legal money case. So, as far as Baby is concerned, it's a good deal. Hey, from Baby when you have a soldier won't not happy one of the as someone young toy will to have a sort of Bahamini lounge. Abaku Sinam Shanto Nikia, Sota Hamani Lalanyashi, Botosu, which might Kofi Botosu, O Central, O West, Amali, Equality, Ketu North, Amali, Ketu South, Amali, Equal, Ketu North, Agmana, Ketu South, Ablagumashi, Akachi North, Amali, Notukote, Akachi South, Ahiafo. You get it. And North Dan, Jocelyn, Dirty, where Ohwe, Amen, Thomas Chapo, Amel, Mitchell Hoto, Niato, Malo, Chaki Niato, Yamu, Nyali, non to Niato, like never said beauty. Or we Bible sound. Da Mianto, Miapo, the funeral sound. Dan bed dan sekitu yang mondial berbeda nungnya low apa ya membiarkan anak rumahnya apa belakang apa buku buku tokian kota beli tokian yang berlihat yo nama apa belakang still saya beli maka nak itu nama so beberapa apa je mah ke buku uji one ayo kanya nya video alo nya macam nya video alo ayo kanya buat oh di sana di apa di mana gue oke cuma yang ke apa ya mi nono tatara program itu jadi nono dia ika nyanyi TikTok alo ya mana ya wala yo fungi ya yo kakak yo isi fungi ya yo kakak apa Evenya, a guy teacher. So, man, would you refer at a show, Yepway, Sunyashito? No, it wasn't only that the Tutumakon in Ethiopia, Yamin Doko, to am fan, the TikTok G, our Chakawaya, Maudi, Hobatunika, Alebu, Wentimo. So we have that and one of the big stories to cover and one of the words in a young boy, the Gakba, a poor Maminota, Mumu, to Bag. That's another interesting story. TikTok, I mean, gets reduced bail. So let's look at that. Nyakbo, okay, le Afmaha. Non via appointment, TikTok facing charges for alleged death threats and defamatory remarks against President John Dramani Mahama and First Lady Lordina Mahama has been granted a reduced bail by Accra Court, making the latest development in a case that has ignited debate about digital speech and criminal liability. Mahama Aminat, a social media content creator, appeared before the court in May in connection with videos that allegedly contain incendiary language directed at the presidency. And according to J1 News, the court reviewed the initial bail conditions and subsequently lowered the sum to 50,000 with an additional charge, citing due consideration of the accused circumstances and the presumption of innocence. So legal practice. So that's another one. You have me a pajuma toma okule halaba only bail condition. I think the bail condition was hard. You see, bail condition and you I'm a faro no demo kakame ola no kuga ho ala darani alono yo bola ho ala ho la ni yato gada darani lem ga koko that cho udi so that's that so people are talking about this NPC to funcho ke baba sele NPP to me alaba o kuseba o yo famo yo machine that kind of thing o kuseba o famo yo machine ke NDC to o ji jopom alaba o sedom ke Ghana to abenia me o ke mi la bedu shi ha mi pom mi den kuri mi pom anya ha makoba asanodo nenya lemnya fa segbana me kwanya me parliament yakene parliament ya nyanya benji blebe no makwa that's that we don't have a problem with that. So that's what we have and nayihoide.com news ala futala from TikTok Mahama I mean I guess so I think there always an acceleration or a reduction and ye ya mi nyaro kuze mi akpo come the carry that in your to me what new or fresh understandings can be established from our guests. So maybe we'll do all that. We'll do all that and we'll see how that goes. Okay, need a the national service to nyare ha ikado miabobo. American Sukubio, Dubra Suku, Yoga, wo to cause subum, that's national service people, national service people. Over Kuhiara Hanemia Bofia, over you, Doc Maruko, a garo them la over account woman. And they don't like that. So concerned national service personnel, Accra Ghana, Odo, Nyada Dogo Chofma, and all those things have to be investigated. Amayo Moyin Barakako, Pomoya, or Chuk Sad, the Urukushi, I talk back, I thought that girl of Pachature, I told the Urukushi by yo, I don't get in your and Yaku, and all these things. And so, I think that we will do a little bit of that and concerned National Service Personnel Association for immediate release signed yesterday 20th July 2026 our stand against unconsented deductions from national service allowances. The concerned national service personnel officially introduces this letterhead as the authentic identity of our movement and or communication issued in our name. We wish to unequivocally state our firm rejection of the unconsented deduction of 60 Ghana cedis from our monthly allowances of national service personnel purportedly as the initial cause of the ZEO's Atlas capacity building program. We maintain that no national service personnel should have deductions imposed on their allowances without prior knowledge, consent, or an opportunity to opt in. The monthly national service allowance is already inadequate to meet the basic living expenses of personnel across the country. Many service personnel struggle daily with transportation, accommodation, feeding, utilities, and other essential costs while serving the nation. Any further deductions from these already meager allowances impose an unjustifiable financial burden on thousands of young Ghanaians. Banikle mi agbonye ame oke de suku koko dogo abe university o betomo technical university da kpɔrem because sukuviwo ne sukuviwo to vovovo wonye wode dziɖuɖu kpo dzi kple tɔgbeveta edze be woava subɔ dziɖuɖua yi nye service ke subɔsubɔdɔwɔla yiwo ke wotso wo ɖokuiwo kɔ ke ne dukɔa be dziŋu enyi na shi ke mi tso be ƒe ɖeka kaka dziŋu nyi in effect woƒe nyanya woƒe vevesese nya wo be woko va ga ɖe ɖem le woƒe gavi xem le na yewo me. Ega nye 60 Ghana cedis, ta 60 Ghana cedis alo didze ŋɔli ƒe 600,000 ƒe vevesese ƒe nyanya ke wo gbɔgblɔm be yewo me da asi ɖe dzi be dziɖuɖɔ ƒe na ɖe ga le yewoƒe game. Nu ka ƒe ga ɖem le yewoƒe game? Wo be Zeus Atlas Capacity Building Program. Ebia be wo ŋu yewo hem alo ŋu nane fiam yewo katã yewo be yewo me gbogbo abe 70,000 le Ghana katã gbogbo wo be capacity nka capacity building la yewo tso teƒe vovovo egbe yewo tso so teƒe vovovo suku vovovo dɔ vovovowo nke nye Zeus nka capacity ga ƒe gamedede na yewo dɔ yewo ŋu yewo mekpo ga ƒe fefeto nuɖuɖu nya he etsi nya he eŋuwo sese na yewo kaka kɔ miamia katso kɔ abe yewo nye dziɖuɖɔ ƒe ƒo mi ke dze mia ŋu mianɔ kamatɔ gama katã ɖe mɔ la no dzɔ kamatɔ. All right, accordingly, we respectfully demand the immediate refund of the 60 Ghana City already deducted from all affected service personnel an immediate halt to any further deductions intended to accumulate the reported 180 charge per personnel for the Zeus Adler capacity building program, greater transparency, accountability, and respect for the rights of national service personnel in all future policies affecting their allowances, a review of all other unconsented deductions and initiatives that adversely affect the welfare of service personnel. To every national service personnel across Ghana, we call on you to remain united, informed, and committed to the collective cause. This movement is not against capacity building or skills development, rather, it is a principled demand that participation in any program must be voluntary and that deductions from our allowances must never occur without our informed consent. Bila ko gba gba yoba bari yoba kukura na jiru bari. Gamara mo le 600,000 mara mo alo 60 mara no to kona yo. Yo ma chachi tra jiru do ko ye pa mutati alo ama re chula ka yo ma nyen kafi amolo mo ya ta ha mo ba bo ama kala kita yo ma nyana ka chu nya manche. E ko gara ngama no. Abo musa sana yo tayo ra kuku. No ba no shang de no na yo nya no bu yo me yo ha de ablora de le yo shi la gana paso me yo kukulo ta yema NDC government under the leadership of John Dramani Mahama, national service people are speaking. These are the youth. These are the youth. 60 cities. 60 cities. Manyaba am 70,000 in national service one. So 60 times 7. 60 times 70,000. That's some good money. In any case, Masubo Gayoka Dun Jiu Domagale. You either choose to listen or not and pay the price. That's all. We also wish to assure all personnel that the leadership of the concerned national service personnel has taken the first step towards a planned nationwide peaceful protest in accordance with the laws of the Republic of Ghana. We remain committed to pursuing every lawful and democratic avenue to ensure that our voices and legitimate concerns of national service personnel are heard and addressed. We encourage all personnel to stay engaged through our official communication channels and to support this collective effort as we advocate for fairness, accountability, dignity, and better conditions of service for every national service personnel. Together, our voices, as strong as signed leadership concern national service personnel. You guys, you should have put your name, somebody's name there, in office over there, okay? And yeah, so that's me. I've got me that. All right. Da ni kwame nyantu ya genya do garemle amopo account no ojejem NASPA capacity building program 60 cities active. The NASPA cloth 100 active enye ka NASPA cloth. Ble SIC insurance limit fee status active ta cover amopo onambe that should be system system I'm over about my account alone even national service personnel so NSA my national service association yeah negere na the suku one be aba akpara jirum out of my hima don't know what my service and na you database gava ngolonko but afio formal the national service number no na oshi afio ko na do aba for the time local for no to kata no chechem da gayo da mo le over majoy ma over NASPA cross I will go over national service letter of encourage maro here that can find that's their business. Won't complain about that, so I will not complain about that. SIC, I don't know. I don't know what that is. So, okay. So, Mia active, Mia active, I'm not going to person here. 0242670773 number there. Mia them as a call, check our pin 0242670773 number there. Mia call get a camera clinic so that we sing a government. Nami Kofia, Dama over 60 city, make up 400 city, make up 5 city, 60 city door, you versus okay, 60 city door, you versus over garden, over Zeus Atlas, you can call Zeus. If you have a you chose or contract number, but never seen where you, it will go home. You see, what I know is when I'm adding, I'm giving a background. Though the letter has not given a background, but we have 70,000 national service students or national service personnel across the country. And 70,000, all the people who to come, a dollar Tuma, a dollar Zebila, a dollar Mando, a dollar Gomo, a dollar Chichiringu. Oh, the woman, the upper Fufu, a dollar Conjidopo, a dollar Assemblyman, a Romufiam, a dollar Equerary. Da no bo mo kan ka nya chomula na ye ma ye nya kan hia yi ka suku yo de fo na o mo koko ye suku yo de o nya degree holders o kple high national diploma holders o diploma so nya me a o nka o nya ko mata kan ko se gom yo jebe do ka 60 cedi hege abo me no de suku senior high school for free no yi no free stress first year no di for free. Though the first year for free. If you have a national service, one of your Zeus Atlas, you never 60 city hogole. Beyond all these things, the army or Dugna Yanto, Yambo national service 80 city, you can have 800,000. Them at time, but no national service on Calbank, the Mizona for your Calbank, have a Sankara. Number do, you guys are going to Sankara for a second. At your second. Manodomi, ava di St. John's. Ruaka zofo cho St. John's bukaka e crossing. Tamara pupoka va di the crossing, zofo cho cross na ya Bone Junction kwa benya. What are you talking about? So please, no, you avoid some of these things. And I'm not judging. And I've not, you must say, National Service Authority talk on info. Banla kwenye, maybe we need answers. So in the next 24 hours, National Service Authority come and speak to the issue. Akwa, a choice banla adogo. Daka echo wunti mi penya tama kaka fun but belan kura ngwa no nya view nye o mia no view nye mia ko chewe nye 60,000 out of meager national service allowance of barely 1,000 is not too good. Politician nya ko ga ko 60,000 yo ne politician ba dun le ba 60,000 60 cedi change mo ho go ma kana girls wa agree you know ta mia no view please magaba garage ta ya no. We need answer to those who are struggling. All right. Messages of about 0242670773 messages you no that ka jagwa na ngoni na matengo go na do audio da na ro ya kana mi fuga alwanya na blo mi akhne amunasa wona jibe mi na TV ya jagwa na ngoni 0242670773 ela du ko ma plus 2332426707773 no by the ala ado bana ko plera ko na nangule ma ko do chuchu pia na ba yon ata yon la do chuchu pia me la nomba maji ala be mi aro che ma yivie ma ba na mi akere nya jojo bale ma mle awo
No silence ever English dictionary nya tepe but si dictionary akara ka so afi di passe ke no silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard and you know the view can the basic level and you know American SHS and you know American university allo language on nanya make manya be view e be strong be kra no silence ever English dictionary and you know I'm a make nanya be view mo jura po and be strong be no silence ever English dictionary and you know mama nala dile ko so ma de na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can follow screen Nigeria open to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call Nusilins ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe Nusilins ever English dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo kple penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne ina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go to Boye. I can't do my trading toy. When you want to killer.
Oh,
never for fun. Never got to my tomb. I'm not go.
that another Abraham, if you got a kind of lay, I party to point for Boye. But the husband did not fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a Passy Coco for Yakotara Gay.
Well, I'm not go.
Vai, but I can also go. Interviga that as a Cremonton top. Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
Why vola tobo? You man no Chicago, Mokung Jaja.
Vola chika no ple na zama fiva na kama furaga na mashama nazi
Nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika nya to matoro ha wo za vola chika fofo jijila ama
This vola piki. Vola baby.
Ma una yura vola to ona una masa
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa mele akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada woji le agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo le budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa madashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
Vola
Nina ne miayi Vola eva senta Afima mia pota yola Nyateba Vola
If you follow, I probably left food now. I left food now. Don't do the food now. I cheat the Padaka. Put on my cata. Melon don't want you to. It's a Macronova. I love Vola Heba Center. You can let them go upload. Santa, Vola Hepa Center, Dr. Prosper Debeneva, come on. Vola.
Kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio.
Akbo nukanye nyajojo yo kele nyajojo gbalaga mamla ma donc jo ko ngati ko ndiona enyaji ndo machichu ki mami va ko enya ko obludo do machichu nias amioka ganani afi ona teji ko bedashio donc jo ha tanani kana todo atayom la 0242670773 where ndiona George nae enyashi chalalo nyarufisi malo nkankanye ha yibe akbara wona nchi alo wona nalika ke nayon alo nomba yokata jana tibia je yisha de sharako atayo alo na kwenya chiplaga na wona naga alika ucha midakwane mikatamba chabo imbati niapa nyakpokore ha anya adase ni kwani nyachi mingoni ta ama manya naneke micho fa for kongo akwana mikatamba mi tibi akpom amare ha anyona ke na be agremia je kimilenye chimfuga hostel ni la poli chimfuga hostel na ba chimfuga hostel ko nyakpo alo agabe anamio agabe aokwimio maonya be agrofio mojaka be alo akwejore jio abihamna rogo ashonda rogo inabo nyapakrenji la mosha mweke jine nyaji be ko grebi ajila kia ile chimfuga hostel alaba nyakbarancho amiao nyakona. All right. Nyagare nyapa nyajojo gbalum alaba nyakbo nyakawele bala umringia monoglo meshaba na runkujiwe nimi wanaoma nyakli we wanaoma ta onchocho na zozo anu nyakbo wa ado message so baba 0242670773 number example alaba message you number cha ya ahrokata okay kama ajabu jo nyapa nyanyo bana ka yikafo kwenye archives the archives Galamsey swallows first kingpin as going to be jailed 20 years until Galamsey campaigners demand harsher punishment. Okay, want to me ma flash yako. Okay, yema. Over Galamsey bono glaudo mantorka want to me the more blabber. And the chacha Galamsey chiwa mokosho. Mama cares already saving lives. Obobi tells NP. Obobi glone so tapahama yelao alo no lao Mama cares alo mama per lamase dodo. Ekpekpemde amonti ale gwe. Over 600 projects ongoing in Volta. Over 600 projects ongoing in Volta and the Bahama Regional Minister reveals more to follow. Okay, makbogu ngakma agbadan to wana Mahama. Balaku newspaper na no screen ali. Over 600 projects ongoing in Volta and the Bahama. Gunema ikanye miapa muganto njipola ba adore karaka voma alo fa de so ejim la Volta Gbadora Karakavu, Alofade, Beijing, La Volta region. So we have that one also here. Over 600 projects ongoing under Mahama. Over 600 projects ongoing under Mahama. Okay, Nyazorengo, Africa Today. Nyayi, Africa Today. Africa Today. MPDC get government green light for 6 central communities to join national electrification grid and boost local economy. Africa Today. Makbo hotoje ma ikele awuma iklabe anchididi mene. Yenye member of parliament na central tong ke de kajevi ikele awuyama yenye monue doji. Yenye Momefia district chief executive the central tong adidumalofu. Ke woglombe MPDC get government green light for 6 central town communities to join national electrification grid and boost local economy. Ode kadi tonguto omadan Rome. Ode kadi tonguto omadan Rome. Utoje kple money doji ormo. Fifia kadi garantoma. All right, Mahama declares war on drug dealers. Agent urges Ghanaians to report criminals to police. Okay, Mama Pumba Fifia Malabobi Black Barre American Bovo Machio Amachivo Chalao Chi. Mahama declares war on drug dealers, urges Ghanaians to report criminals to police. Mahama be Chachitra America Machivo Zamchi. Da na akpomarako na nava kpovitona lama. Wasa Samang residents slam MTN over poor network. Wasanto matope kuke ikenya network umuko nava o opong dore MTN togbo no wona network in Richard Ewenyigba sets sights on national first vice chairman position. Richard Ewenyigba sets sights on MPP national first vice chairman position. Pledges inclusion, leadership vows to build a united and election-ready NPP. Ewenyigba ono matata fia. Ewenyigba nye nyangdala Ghana NPP tokotala Ghana fia boy bia zorongo. Alwe Abazu, Shimenola Gan, Bertone, MPP Akatan, Ghana. So we have that here. All right, now you paper bubu, but Akobanke left my. Go to the next paper. National Enquirer, Elefia, National Enquirer. NPA boss salutes industry champions. MPA boss salutes industry champions. From promise to impact, GNTF already saving lives, administrator tells Majority Caucus. 14 years on, Ghana tributes at Tamils tomorrow, a colossus of integrity, peace, and faith. TDR receives 1 million barrels of indigenous Jubilee crude. TDR receives 1 million barrels of indigenous Jubilee crude, setting the record straight. Auditor General's report highlights systemic reforms, not 78.6 million wrought at MPA. All right. Choigbona miapo tukokula hoko izwamengbe Professor Jonita Evans ata Mills ahoko vienne la yome. Ka amoja mkuro roji ame anyama tuchware yikenye amewo teƒe ame yi ke nye ŋutifafa me ame yi ke me xɔse nɔ kple etɔ wole gbalẽa me fia. Alright, azɔ ɖe ŋgɔ míakpɔ gbalẽ bubu ɖa. Fia be míwo le fi ma mekpɔ megblɔwo ta míayi ɖe the Hawk newspaper quickly. Why is MPP scared of tribunals? Party that sold itself as the champion of the rule of law now leads opposition to tribunals. Mekpo Alexander Panyumakino Tatalefma yenye minority leader alo MPP to yokleso takaham from nola. Balabia monkina fi MPP to control ye yo kadomo le vom ha. O bale ame o yabu yo ke obe yo nyam cho sem chi yo nya sanyala gang pa party wo we yo we sese plus sepo du popo yoro ma nke jo ke gba wo proper yoro ma o mam na ma. Radio Gold DJ in land fraud trial. Radio Gold DJ in land fraud trial. The Kajal of Mobile down the Radio Gold were from the Aniba Jajra were a few nano. Ghana Gas pays 24.5 million Ghana cedis for half-built project. Audit exposes Ghana Gas pays 24.5 million Ghana cedis for half-built project. Over Ghana Gas use up a corner joya, Dopa Jibo Gaboboran 24.5 million. Now, Hori Tumo Audit exposes 12.2 million overpayment on unfinished block. Oh, over a horror to Momo Homa Gag, but we open 24.5 million. Makra Udara Gaji, Banjo, 12.2 million. So, Ilola. GBC swapped 1.2 million Ghana City airtime for a ghost house. Audit raises questions over missing Katamanso property. GBC, Ghana Broadcasting Corporation, GBC, Juba Dobe, Kenya Dobe, Bangwa, Kenya, Yokaka, GBC swapped 1.2 million Ghana cedis airtime for a ghost house. Audit raises questions over missing Katamanso property. Na you get to have married. Amayo Kenya, GBC to. What do my guy Professor Hassan? Balapifinya la Professor